Good day mga repa! Another basketball shoes review tayo. And this time ito ang 361 degrees Quick 4.5, built for speed and quickness on the court. Yung kanyang pagkakadesign ay inspired na rin sa race car styling. Perfect sa mga guards and forwards. Available nga pala siya sa 4 na kulay. Syempre yung pinili ko yung dual colorway para astig. Limited sizes lang, size 40 hanggang 45. Meron na yung quick midsole technology for both game and training to secure lockdown. May Energy X bouncy cushion na yan for resilient and responsive on the court. Magaan at komportable sa paa at gawa sa mesh breathable microfiber textile ang kanyang upper. Pagdating naman sa heel counter, may premium leather overlay na yan at may initial ni Spencer Dinwiddie. Sa bandang 4 foot niya ay may full length lateral TPU support to enhance anti-rollover protection. Makapal at malambot ang insole and may fully stitched na din for durability. For indoor and outdoor use, naka-XDR outsole na yan with spike for better traction and grip. May kasama na rin yung box pag na-receive mo kaya pwede mong ipangregalo